What's going on? It's Kev here from the KVJ Show. We're at the South Florida Science Museum around dinosaurs and fish and planets and all kinds of cool stuff, and a hurricane simulator. This is a big test. Gotta tell you, I'm a little bit nervous about this. This thing, it's gone through the Jeep, it's been in the water. How would it do in a hurricane? We're gonna find out right now. The big question is not, is it gonna look great? Is it gonna be intact? Fire that baby up.
You're gonna experience a Category 1 hurricane simulator.
Look at that, okay. All right, Hair Club, there you go. It's gonna hold up to a hurricane. You saw it here first.
It's Hair Club, North America's #1 provider of proven hair loss solutions.